TR here. This is the 6th video in our series, Navigating Our Calm course. We're going to take a look at grades here. So say, let's go to the submission folders window, and we look at the sexual wellness permission form. When you click and open that, it will show you this window, and here you'll add that file for the permission form. You might give me a content, you submit it. I will receive this information in my assignment submission folders. I will look at it, I will mark it, I will make a little comment. What happens then is Brightspace or D2L here will automatically transfer your marks to your grade book or your grades. That's why I'm kind of fussy about making sure that you submit the appropriate assignment in the appropriate folder, because the assignment folders, these folders that you submit, are connected to your grades. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know, again, using your private discussions. You should, before I forget, you should see the comments that I'll make regarding this assignment. So say this strengths and needs reflection, say you got 4 out of 10, you can see the rubric that I filled out for that and the comments that I made regarding why you might have received a 4 out of 10. Or if you received 10 out of 10, same procedure, I will fill in the rubric and I'll make comments that will explain why you received such an excellent mark. Again, questions or concerns, please use your private discussions. Have a great day. Bye now.